Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be starting with examples of chapter number 16. So the name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers Class 8. So we have already done our exercises and we have done our introduction videos also. Let's start with examples now. So we are starting with example number 4 in this video. Okay. So now let's start with example number 4. We are starting with the examples of chapter number 16 and example number 4 is on page number 258 of our NCERT book. Okay, so example number 4 says check the divisibility of check the divisibility of 21436 587 by 9. So in this example we have to check the divisibility of this number by 9, which means that we should know the divisibility test of 9, which says that the sum of all the digits should be multiple of 9. Okay, so divisibility test of 9 says that the sum of all the digits should be divisible by, should be multiple of 9, we can say. अगर उनका सम 9 का मल्टीपल है, इट मीन्स वो नंबर भी 9 का मल्टीपल है, राइट? सो लेट्स ऐड ऑल द डिजिट्स ऑफ दिस नंबर नाउ. So the solution would be 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7. ये नंबर है हमारे पास. So let's add the digits of this number. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. इनको ऐड करके जो भी नंबर आएगा that should be a multiple of 9. Only then this number will be a multiple of 9. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 8 is 29. And 29 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carry. So 36. Right? The sum of all the digits of this number is 3636. So अब 36 अगर 9 की टेबल में आता है, अगर ये 9 का मल्टीपल है, इट मीन्स ये नंबर भी 9 का मल्टीपल होगा. सो 36 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, विच मीन्स दैट, देखो सो यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे, 36 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 9. सो 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 is also a multiple of 9. So I hope this question is clear. This was a very easy question. See, if you know all the divisibility tests, then these type of questions are very simple for you. Okay, so I have done one introduction video on divisibility test and also I have discussed all the divisibility test in question number 4 video of exercise 16.2. So if you haven't watched that video, first go and watch that video, then these examples will be very easy for you. Okay, so this was example number 4. इसमें हमसे ये पूछा था कि ये नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल है या फिर नहीं है. So for that we added all the digits of this number. Okay, and we got 36. So 36 is a multiple of 9, which means that this number is also a multiple of 9. ये भी 9 की टेबल में आएगा number. Okay, so this was example number 4. Now moving on to example number 5. Now let's come to the next example. Now example number 5 is on page number 259. Example number 5, page number 259. So example number 5 says check the divisibility of 1528 75 by 9. Again we have to check the divisibility of a number by 9. So for that we know the concept. हमें करना है उस number की digits को add. So let's write the number again. 15287 So let's add the digits of this number. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. So अब इन सब digits को add करके let's see जो हमारे पास number आता है is that number a multiple of 9 or not. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So we get 28. अब 28 9 की टेबल में नहीं आता. 28 is not a multiple of 9. So 152875 is also not a multiple of 9. ओके सो सी अगर हमारे पास अगर हम इसको वैसे भी चेक करेंगे 152875 divided by 9. So we know that 9 ones are 9, 62. 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63 होता है. So 9 6 54. This is 8, and now we'll take 8 carry forward, so 88. Now 9 9s are 81, so यहाँ पे बचा 7, अब 7 आ गया यहाँ पे, so 9 9 8 जा 6, 9 8 जा 72, 5 बचा, अब 5 आ गया, so 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54. So we are left with one remainder. It means ये number exact 9 से divide नहीं हो रहा, right? So अब इसको exact divide करके देखेंगे तो थोड़ी सी calculation करनी पड़ेगी. So the best part is what we can do is हम यहाँ पे इसकी digits को add करेंगे. We get 28. 28 is not a multiple of 9. So that is the reason that this number is also not a multiple of 9. See, अगर यहाँ पे 27 आता तो ये multiple of 9 होता, right? So मतलब एक यहाँ पे एक number extra, अगर यहाँ पे 74 होता तो ये 9 का multiple होता, right? So this was our example number 5. Example number 4 and 5 were similar. दोनों में हमें we need to check the divisibility for number 9, right? Coming to example number 6 now. Now let's come to example number 6. Now example 6 is also on same page, page number 259. So example number 6 says, if the three-digit number, if the three-digit number, if the three-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? So this is a very similar question which we did in the exercise 16.2. Exercise 16.2 में all the 4 questions were of this type only. If the three-digit number 2, 4 and x is divisible by 9. मतलब एक नंबर है 24x एंड हमें गिवन है दैट ये मल्टीपल है 9 का, डिविजिबल है 9 से मीन्स मल्टीपल है 9 का, ठीक है। सो 9 के मल्टीपल्स होते हैं 9, 18, 27, 36 एंड सो ऑन, ठीक है। सो अब हमें चेक करना है कि x की वैल्यूज क्या क्या हो सकती है। सो फॉर दैट वी नो दैट वी नीड द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 9 which says that the sum of all the digits should be multiple of 9. So this will be 2 plus 4 plus x equals to 9 करते हैं पहले, ठीक है, because first multiple is 9. So ये हो गया 6 plus x equals to 9, x equals to 9 minus 6, so x would be equal to 3. 9 minus 6 हो गया 3. So x equals to 3. So the first value of x is 3. So the number is 243. 243 है multiple of 9. Coming to next number. Maybe ऐसा हो कि एक और नंबर हो जो 9 से डिवाइड हो सकता हो. सो लेट्स कम 4 plus 2 plus x equals to 18 करते हैं. अब नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल इज 18, राइट. सो ये हो गया 6 plus x equals to 18, x equals to 18 minus 6, x equals to 12. बट अब यहाँ पे x आ गया 2 digit number and we want a single digit. So it means only one answer is possible. ये possible नहीं है. So the value of x is 3. Right? And the number is 243 only. यही एक number है that is divisible by 9 and that is a multiple of 9. Okay? So this was our example number 3. Sorry. This was our example number 6 of chapter number 16. Now let's come to example number 7. Now only 2 examples are left. Example number 7 and example number 8. Let's complete those examples as well. Then this chapter would be totally complete. Then we'll be starting with a new one. Now let's start with example number 7. So example number 7 is on page number 259. Again, same page. Question says, check the divisibility of 587 by 3. Okay, so now we need to check the divisibility of this number by 3. अब 3 का divisibility test हमें पता होना चाहिए, which is sum of all the digits of a number should be multiple of 3. ओके, सो अगर इन सबका सम ऐड करके जो भी आता है दैट इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, इट मीन्स दैट दिस नंबर विल बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो इट मीन्स divisibility टेस्ट ऑफ 3 and 9 आर एग्जैक्टली सेम. ओके, सो यहाँ पे we'll write the number 2146587. 2146587. Yes. So अब देखो इन सब की डिविजिबिलिटी, मतलब इसकी डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट के लिए we'll add all the digits. So 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7, इन सबको करना है add. Okay, so इन सबको add करके what we'll get, see 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 plus 7 is 33. So अब हमें चेक करना है is 33 a multiple of 3? So yes, 3 into 11 होता है 33. ठीक है, so 33 is a multiple of 3, which means that so 2146587 is also a multiple of 3. क्योंकि उसका सम 3 का मल्टीपल है, इट मीन्स दैट वो नंबर भी 3 का मल्टीपल होगा. ओके, सो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. बहुत इजी एग्जांपल था, एग्जांपल नंबर 7 in which we need to check the divisibility for number 3. Now let's come to the last example of this chapter, that is example number 8. Let's come to the last example, example number 8. So example number again a similar type of question. Now example number 8 is on page number 260. Okay, so the example says check the divisibility of 15287 by 3. So again we have a question for divisibility of number 3, right? So for that we should know the divisibility test of 3, which says that the sum of all the digits should be multiple of 3. Let's check by adding all the digits. So the solution would be 15287. ये इसको हम करेंगे all the digits को add 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7. So what we'll get? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 7. So ये हो गया 23. Now 23. अब 23 3 का मल्टीपल है या फिर नहीं? So no, 23 is not a multiple of 3. Is not a multiple of 3 because 21 के बाद second multiple is 24, right? 23 नहीं है multiple 3 का. So it means that 15287 is also not a multiple of मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. मतलब ये नंबर भी 3 का मल्टीपल नहीं है बिकॉज इसका सम 3 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. सो आई होप चिल्ड्रन दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है एंड वेटेज भी चैप्टर की अच्छी है. सो स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है. ओके, सो you should know each and every concept of this chapter. We have completed all the examples of this chapter. We have completed all the exercises, all the introduction topics of this chapter as well. So I'll be coming up with a new chapter soon. Okay, and if you want me to start any specific chapter that you find difficult, you can mention in our comment section below. Okay, otherwise if you have any problem you can also mention it. Okay, and don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll be coming up with a new video super soon. Thank you.